A frequently asked question I get is some clients might not understand the benefits of insurances. Maybe they're paying all these premiums, but they don't necessarily see a benefit that they receive every day. They're just sort of questioning, is it useful? Is it going to be good for me? Can you sort of explain a bit about how insurance works?
I think insurances has a lot of misconceptions around it just because the relationship usually is some random cover that's being thrown onto your superannuation fund. You didn't ask for it, it's not even relevant to your situation. So I've got a lot of clients that say, look, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I've never had an accident. Why do I need insurances? Why am I paying for this money? And I think that perspective is not correct in the sense that insurances isn't a big fat lottery ticket waiting to be paid out. It's actually an insurance policy or a safety net to protect your family and the lifestyle that you've accrued if you weren't actually able to come home. So it's not really about yourself, it's more so about the people that you care about, right? And the problem is, well, we don't actually know what's going to happen until it happens, and then by that point, you can't get the insurances anymore.
Exactly, yeah. My biggest fear is that when people don't necessarily understand insurances enough, they think it's in their best interest to actually cancel their insurances. And when a situation does arise where they do need to claim on it, it can put them at a significant financial distress there and really cause a lot of issues there.
And I think the biggest thing to weigh out, guys, I guess from a professional standpoint, is how much are the premiums costing me? How long am I going to have this for, depending on my specific assets, things of that nature? And am I going to be able to scale it down at a certain point when my kids hit 18, when I'll be able to pay off the liability? All these things that could happen, could be wiped away straight away if you don't have any type of cover, any adequate cover. It's very, very important, and it's so underlooked in the everyday Aussies strategy. And we wanted to just shed some light on it because I think it's one of the most misspoken about topics that I guess we speak to with clients.